Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use the VLookup and index and match using Excel. Okay, first of all, you can follow with me on doing this here. You can on cell A2 you can write whatever in here, like for example, room size. This is in my case, price, and product image. So for the room size, I will use a drop down menu. So to select different types of room sizes that I have here in this database. I will, to do this, I can do Alt DL, Alt DL. Oops, I'm sorry. Okay, Alt D and L, or you can go here on data and then data validation. You will get the same thing. So here I will do this as a list and I will click here on the source. When you click on the source, then I will go to my database sheet. Those are my products name. So, and then I will click here to go back there, and then I will say okay. So now if someone clicked here, it will list the room size or the bed sizes that I have in my database. Let me just rename this one real quick here. Say database, and this one here say product, which is the product page. Okay, so now I have my drop down menu or drop down list here. So now let me do the price. So to do the price from the database here, let me just put before I do that, let me just insert some pictures in here in my database sheet. I'll go home, insert picture. This is my king size, so I saved those one before, so I know what I want to put. So first, in your case, you have to list your photos or the images that you want to show, or it can be galleries, photo galleries, or it can be like hotel websites, or it can be any other products, like say you're doing it for Lulu, and then you have like say milk, you have water bottles, you have all other goods, and or you can have it for a mobile shop. You can have Nokia, you can have Samsung, whatever, and all those brands. So here I have my king bed. I will just insert it here. I will go here and make it nice to fit in that cell. So let me just align it. Okay, that looks good. And I will insert the next one. This one for the that's the king size, the queen size bed picture. Queen. This is my queen size bed. Again, I will just make it small to fit here and make it nice. You can just try to match it to the top one just to align it. Alright, last I have my single size bed. Insert. So that's my single size bed, and then I have to put some prices for it. Okay, you got the idea. So here, the king size, like say, is 1,000 per night. This like the size of the bed. That's that's the room, how big the room will be. So the queen, like say 750, and this one is 500, the single bed. Let me just make those one here, put them in the middle, and put them here. Do the same thing here, center and top there. Okay, so now I'll go back to my product sheet, and now I need to put some price. So there, like if someone say king size bedroom, then the price automatically should show over here. And the way to do this is you're going to use a VLookup. VLookup, you can do it using here, like say equals VLookup. And what do you want to look up for? So I'll say you want to look up for this one here, right? For the bedroom size here and the price. So you go here to the database sheet, you're going to highlight the table. You're going to highlight your table like this, yes? And then where's which column that has the price? The price is on column number 2. So you can do here, because this is your formula, it's still there. You do comma 2, comma 0. 0 will tell you that's the exact match. You're looking for the exact match. So enter. So you see, as soon as I hit enter, now my formula is working fine, and that is the king size, which is 1000. If I do the queen, that's 750. If I do the single bedroom, it should show 500. Okay, so now I need to map or to link the pictures to this. If someone says single, it should show the single image or the photo. Queen, it should show the queen image, right? So let me just center this, and I will go back to the database sheet, and I will copy, say for example, the first one. Look here, I'm not clicking in the image, I'm clicking on the cell. Click on the cell and then copy the cell, go back to the product. This is where the image should be, right? I will go paste, and other paste options, I'm going to select linked picture. So the picture will be linked here. So now as you see, the picture is placed here. Yeah, so now I will use the index and match. So if someone select, like say for example a king size, it should show the price and reflect the image of the king size. You see, now it's not working. Now it's not doing anything, right? So let's see how you do that. Okay, to do that, you go to formulas, and you're gonna hit define name. Okay, so here you're gonna define it, like say I'll say ADMC, that's my name, and then I will delete this and I will say equal index, okay, open a parenthesis there, and then I will go to to the sheet number 2, and then I will do this is what I wanna index, right? This one here. So now I will go comma, and then I will do match, MTACH, match, and I will open a parenthesis there, and then on page number, the sheet number 1, the product sheet, I'm looking for B2, this one here. This is the name of the product, right? The name of the product here. So now I will go comma, and I will go back to sheet number 2, and then from A2 to A4, those are the names. I would like to match those here too. So I will go comma and then 0 for exact match, and I will close this one for the index and this one for the match. Now it's closed. So, and then you say okay, here you're done. So if someone go for king size, oh, it's still not working, I'm sorry. So you click here and you see this one is still saying database and the cell number. So you go equal, because you want to link your defined name to this cell. ADMC, that's what I called it, yeah? You see it here, ADMC. So you double click on this and then you hit enter. Right? So click here, go back here to the room size. Now if someone go here, that's the queen size, and king and single there and those here. So here, let me just quickly show you how to use the if you want to use the formula for a VLookup, you can go here, formulas, and then lookup and reference. You see here VLookup, you can do this here. You can do it here. So the VLookup value, you select the value from here. The table tray, so you're gonna go to this one here. You highlight all the table, and here, which one you're looking for, you go again here. If you're looking for the price, you define it as 2, and then here's 0 for the exact match, and that's how you do VLookup for that. Alright, so thank you very much. If you can follow this, please do this one for your own product, whatever. Don't do a similar thing that I did here. You can do for mobile, you can do for cars, you can do for any other products. Put the price, put the your photo here, and if someone select you one of your product, the photo should change and the price should change and all those here. So if you do it for, like, say those type of small goods or small products, and people might buy 1 or 2 or 3 products or items, you can have like say quantity and say total. This is the total for the price, like total. Okay, so what's the total equals to? Because this one here is like, say for example, it's let me put some currency units here. Like, say I'll put dollars. Okay, I will do Control A, and then I'll go currency. This here, the currency, you can look for the currencies here, but I'm going to do it in dollar. You can do it in dirhams if you want. Here, and then I will say okay. Now you see you have $1,000 there. So the quantity and the total. The total is equals to what? You do equal to the price times, and then you hit the times sign, which is the asterisk. That equals the total, because now the quantity is 0, right? The quantity is 1, then hit enter, you see this. The quantity is 2, you hit this, is 3. 2005 is 5,000 automatically, as you see it here. That's how you do this, and please be creative, think about it, and do it. You should submit this by tomorrow night. Thank you so much. I hope this has been informative, and thank you for viewing.